on this, right here, on this pool, right there. See? That's a bird. You don't even know he's there, and he's a big vulture. Wow. And look up here. Here's his buddy. They're hunting together. Wow. Come on, do something up there. It looks like a baby. I don't know if you can see the feathers are downy and soft. I think that the bird isn't very old. Beautiful though, and look how you don't notice him. He's right there. He's right there. See, look, let me get far away. Look at, would you notice him? There's a bird right there, and he's big enough to eat your cat. Oh, I see you. I see you. Chippa chippa. Chippa chippa chippa. I see you, I see you. Oh, the neighbors are not trying to get them. And then we have these little birds. Oh, there he is. And in the morning, on this empty field, the little birds are all over the field, and they're right here eating something. And I open the door right at dawn, and they all flock, and the flock is about, I'd say, 70 birds. Oh, there he is. There he is. Do something. Oh, he's gone. I missed it. Oh, the worst. Oh.